eksaktong forwarded message that I received at 6:18 for CPNP from DSAF. Thus, na-engage SAF troops doon malapit Ilog, 2 kilometers east of Barangay Tucanalipaw, Got Charlie, 67983-65714, bandang gitna, going to target, sir, unquote. Which I replied, copy. Yung sinasabi po kayo ng 618 na nabasa ko po, na nagbigay sila ng grid coordinate ng tropa nila. Sa akin pong pagbasa at paghihimay-himay, pag inintindi po natin ito, walang urgency. They did not even, wala pong mention ng request for enforcement. Ito lang po ay pagpapaalam na sila po ay nainkwentro. Maliwanag po, ulitin ko po, babasahin ko lang po, for the record. For, it is not even addressed to me. I was probably a forwarded message. But for the record, ay gusto ko lang pong basahin, Your Honors. Quote, for CPNP from DSAF, na-engage subtroops doon malapit Ilog, 2 kilometers east o Barangay Tucanalipaw, given the Got Charlie, bandang gitna, going to target, sir. Wala po akong nabasang urgency rito because there was not a request for enforcement. Pangalawa po, I do not know how many of them are operating. I do not even know kung gaano kalaki yung kalaban nila. It was only one grid coordinate. A grid coordinate, kung sasabihin po natin, kung pagbabasihan natin itong number na ito, is probably as big as this phone. Ito lamang po ang laki nito. Dahil ito po ang kinakailangang malaman kung tayo po ay magpapaputok ng 105. One po is allocation of the target.
Meron lang grid coordinates ang binigay sa'yo.
Yun po ang location ng friendly forces.
Kaya nga pinag-uusapan natin buhay.
Yes,
Sa
sir.
lolo hinihingi sa inyo.
Yes, sir. Kaya nga po kinakailangan
Ilang oras kayo bago makapag-respond?
Your Honor, while we are getting the information na dahan-dahan lamang po namin nalaman, kaya nga po tayo ay nag-reconstitute ng forces, the available forces we have during the time to provide reinforcement.